The best-selling game of all time isn't Tetris or Super Mario Bros. Or even Pokemon. Instead, it's Minecraft, the open-world crafting game that has managed to hold onto its popularity for nearly a full decade. The game pushes users to become creative in the face of countless challenges, all while exploring a randomly generated world. Building a house in Minecraft is one of the most important keys to surviving the night, so if you're ready to close out the creepers for good, here's how it's done. When creating your first house in survival mode on any difficulty other than peaceful, you need to prioritize two things before nightfall: walls to keep monsters out, and a light source to keep them from appearing inside your house. To build something you can survive in before night, you'll need to craft tools. Once you've spawned in your world, walk up to the nearest tree and punch its trunk until it shatters to yield a few blocks. You'll want at least 3 to 4 blocks to begin with. Once you have your wood, open your inventory and click on the green book icon to see what you can craft. Turn all but one block of wood into planks, and from those planks, create a crafting table, along with a few sticks. Find the area you want to build your shelter around, then place your crafting table. You're going to need to gather a lot of resources for any freestanding structure. For instance, a small shack takes around 60 blocks to build from the ground up. To save time, we recommend digging into a nearby hillside or burrowing into a small space underground. Most blocks aren't affected by gravity, so there's no need to worry about cave-ins. Once you've placed your crafting table down, open your crafting menu and make yourself a pickaxe. At this stage of the game, you can make it out of stone or wood. Just craft whichever you can and start mining. Aside from dirt, sand, or other blocks, you'll need to gather stone or coal to make torches. If you can't find coal, you have a few other options. 8 blocks of cobblestone, a log, or anything flammable can create charcoal for your torches. Use your crafting table to craft a furnace, then place the furnace next to your crafting table. With the furnace, you can craft some charcoal for your torches. If you still have time and resources are nearby, gather more wood and hunt sheep for 3 blocks of wool. You can use this to make a bed and a door. At this point, night is likely fast approaching, so it's best to bunker down soon. Set up your torches so that your room is well lit. Don't worry about leaving your crafting table or furnace outside, it'll still be there in the morning. If you haven't had time to craft a bed or a door, don't worry, you can still survive the night. A bed allows you to sleep through the night and sets a respawn point if you die, but if you don't have one, you can just wait till daybreak. If you're not sleeping, keep a block-sized window open to check for daytime. If you're missing a door, you can seal off your room's entrance with easily breakable blocks. After your first night, you can choose to expand your house or pack it up and find your dream spot. Once you start working on bigger houses, we suggest keeping a temporary shelter somewhere nearby. It's advisable to start with your walls and to build from the outside in, so you can work during the night as well. Remember, you'll need to gather a lot of resources for any freestanding structure. The good news is that you'll be able to make your house out of almost anything. Feel free to explore and use what you can find. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Minecraft and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.